Greetings of the day. Welcome back to your social studies class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 6, the coastal plains and the islands. So be ready for your class. First of all, we will learn about the coastal plains in this chapter. Children, as you know that the southern part of India is surrounded by water on three sides. The Arabian Sea on the west, the Bay of Bengal on the east, and the Indian Ocean on the south. So, a big land area surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. Now, what is a coast? A coast is a place where seawater meets the land. India has a long coastline of about 7,416 kilometers. It begins from Gujarat and ends to West Bengal. Such a long coastline is very useful for our country. Fishing is an important occupation here, and also many seaports have been developed which help in foreign trade. The Indian coastal plains are divided into two parts: the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. Please remember, the eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari, that is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. Now, let us learn more about the coastal plains. First, the western coastal plain. The western coastal plain starts from Gujarat in the north and ends at Kanyakumari in the south. It lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. The western coastal plains can be divided into three parts: the Gujarat coast in the north, the Konkan coast in the middle, and the Malabar coast in the south. Children, please remember, many lighthouses have been built along the Konkan coast to warn the ships and fishing boats against the danger. Lagoons or backwater, locally called kayals, are found along the Malabar coast. Please note well, lagoon is a saltwater lake which is separated from the sea by an area of rock or sandbars. Now, eastern coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain starts from Kanyakumari in the south and goes up to West Bengal in the north. It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. It is broader than the western coastal plains. This plain is divided into two parts: the Northern Sircars in the north and the Coromandel coast in the south. That's all for today. We'll continue this chapter in our next video. Thank you.